Coming to you from the ScottieDTV You Can't Cancel Cool Road Tour 2020. And today I'm out here in Speedway, Indiana at Dennis Reinhardt's garage. And he's got a 2000 Suzuki Hayabusa GSX 1300, makes 550 horse. Thing's crazy. I thought you'd all want to see it. You know, I don't know nothing about nothing. I know less about motorcycles, although I love them and they are cool. So anyways, let me get the camera turned around. We'll take a quick look at it. Dennis, I don't know much about cars. I know even less about motorcycles, but I love both of them. But I do know cool. This Hayabusa is cool. Tell me a little bit about it.
2000 GSX 1300 Hayabusa. It's got a Garrett 35 turbo on it. It's intercooled, turbocharged. The motor was built by Schnitz Racing. It's got air shifter, shift light. It's 6-speed. It's got a 240/40 18 tire on the back, carbon fiber rims.
Wow. I wonder how much those were.
I don't know, they weren't cheap.
No, I would imagine
they cost a couple dollars.
Yeah.
BST's out of South Africa.
Did you have the bike built, or did you
No,
buy it?
I bought it.
Yeah.
I bought it like that. Yeah.
How much horsepower is it?
It's capable of 550 horsepower.
Man.
So the brains behind it is a company called Microtech out of Australia, and the data logging is also Microtech. And it's got drag pipes on it, and it's long enough that it's kind of tough to drive on the street.
Yeah.
Make right-hand turns, especially in town. You know.
Yeah. So low and everything.
Yeah.
It wants to scrape.
Yeah.
Especially in these smooth.
First time I drove it, I dragged the drag pipes. I hit the hit the drag pipes on the pavement because to make the turn.
Right. You don't want to do that.
Yeah. So you almost have to do like a truck and go wide, turn back in quick.
Right. But you do get to get out and ride it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. No, like I said, I don't know. I mean, I love them, and I've been riding since I've been a kid. I just don't keep up with all the stats and what's the latest and what's the greatest in the motorcycle world. But again, when I looked at that and started asking about it, it didn't take long to realize that now this has got to be something people want to see, man. And when you start it, it sounds so good.
It's tricked out.
Yeah.
It's tricked out.
What's the end goal with it?
See what I can get out of it.
Yeah. On a dyno or something?
Yeah. Well, yeah. I'll just.
Or you know what I mean? You're talking about.
Well, you can go out to Raceway Park and run them down the track.
So at some point you would yourself turn all this
Probably.
stuff back on and run it down the strip?
Probably.
Yeah. Wonder what kind of times it would turn.
Well, I don't think I'd be pushing the 550 at first. That's for sure.
No. I know you'd be easing
I'd be
into it. Yeah,
I'd be crawling into it.
Yeah, I get that. But the fact is that I'm glad we got to that, because people are going to be wondering, why do you have all this and turned it off? And I know why, because it scares you. It scared me too, but on the right environment.
It takes time to learn.
Right.
I mean, the fuel management's everything on a turbo. You don't want to starve that motor. That's terrible on turbos.
Yeah. And not only that, you're
Detonation.
sitting on top of it. Yeah, and you're sitting right over it.
Yeah.
Especially in these things, you're exposed on your stomach.
Yeah, and you want to make sure all your wheels are balanced well and.
Yeah, that's right.
You don't want no
Yeah.
high-speed wobbles, any of that kind of stuff.
No, I'm thinking you want to have everything in tip-top condition when you decide to do that.
Yeah.
Now I don't think you want to be wondering if you should have maintained something, or maybe I should have tightened that bolt. No, I think you want to make sure everything's ready to go. But I wonder what kind of time it'll turn, because these things are no slouch from the factory.
Yeah, they're crazy fast just by itself.
Right.
Yeah. I've done 130 in third gear, and it's gotten 6.
Holy cow. Oh yeah, I think these things will do 200 from the factory, real close to it. And this one now, surely it'll do more than that. But you're not going to go top speed. You're just going to try to run it down a quarter mile.
Yeah, just kind of, like I say, crawl into it, see what I can do. It's a learning curve.
Yeah.
Who knows? I might apply turbos to cars later in life. You know what I
Right.
mean? Who knows what direction I go after I
Yeah.
get this current project done. So like cool stuff.
Yeah, no, I'm with you. No, yeah, the whole collection I'm always guaranteed that it's going to be new and it's going to be cool. So, and again, this Hayabusa is cool, brother. And if you ever do get it dialed into where you're running some quarter miles with it, I'd love to come back and shoot that.
Yeah, that'd be awesome, yeah.
Thanks, Dennis.
All right. Thank you very much, Scott.
So there you go, from the ScottieDTV You Can't Cancel Cool Road Tour in the Reinhart Collection, a 2000 Hayabusa, over 500 horse, turbocharged. How cool is that? Hope y'all have enjoyed it. See ya! Make sure you subscribe to this channel and visit ScottieDTV.com for an easy way to search the hundreds of videos I have posted. Either click the link in the description or the one at the end of this video.